Your home dashboard Coschedule contains an upcoming list of all of your tasks. It's the perfect place to start your morning in order to understand what you need to get done for the day. To navigate to your home screen, click the house icon in your navigation sidebar. Your home dashboard is where you will see all of your upcoming and past due tasks. You will also see upcoming projects here too. The right side of your dashboard also includes your notifications. This includes any new discussion comments that need your attention or notifications that tasks on your project have been completed by your team members. You'll see recent projects. This is a list of all the marketing projects you've recently been working in. This makes it easy to jump back in where you left off. Finally, you'll see a list of your favorite projects. You can favorite any project using the star icon to quickly access it again. This works great for projects you might want to recreate on a monthly or weekly basis. Everyone on your team should use Home Dashboard as the source of truth for their highest priority tasks and projects.